Use your CAS to draw the graph of y squared plus 3 equals x on the axes below using main. Now, what that means is to actually do it in the main application just here. So I'm just going to clear anything else I've got. I'm going to put the equation in. So I've got y squared add 3 equals x. And then we can open a graph window down here, and I can grab this and just drag it in, and it will actually draw it. Now, I might need to change the scale a bit. Let's make the scale look a bit more like the scale I've got. So I've got x going from -2 up to 12, and I've got y going from -4 up to 4. Let's OK that, and that gives us a much better picture. So what we can see is that it actually goes through this point just here. Now, let's see if we can see any other grid points. Well, at 4, it seems to go through 1 and -1 like so. At 7, it goes through 2 and -2, and this is not too hard to work out because from here this is 1 unit and this is 4 units, so we're going up in the square numbers. So we're not actually going to find another one, but we've got a rough idea of what it looks like. And so we can do this and this. And so if we compare that to the original y squared equals x graph we've looked at, it just looks like adding 3 to the y squared here has just moved us 3 units, or translated us 3 units horizontally. So we can now answer these questions. The vertex we can see quite clearly is at 3, 0. The axis of symmetry is again the x-axis, so that's the line y equals 0. And the y-intercepts, well, there are no y-intercepts. We can see from the graph that clearly it just goes off in this direction and never comes near the y-axis.